Hi, student leaders. Dr. Young here. Thank you for your patience as we prepare for Newcomer Welcome Night on Thursday, August 10th. I want to go through just a few of the logistics for that night and what you can expect and what we need from you. This night is always a little fluid, meaning it's always kind of changing. And so even while we've planned out some of the logistics, we change things up minute to minute. So a couple of things. I'd like for you to wear something that says you are part of the Cougar family. So a Vernon Hills something could be, anything from a fine arts, athletics, club, whatever. Just wear something with Cougar gear on it, please. You don't have to be formal. You should look like a student. You're going to get here by 6:30ish. Park in the west lot, get dropped off. You're going to come into the foyer, you're going to come upstairs, and you're going to come to where the LMC and the ARC, the main doors there. And then I have a couple of requests. A few of you, probably about 20 of you, noted that you speak multiple languages. If you speak Russian, you're going to go into the LMC classroom. If you speak Spanish, you're going to be at the door at the ARC, just inside of it. And then if you speak English or you're multilingual in other languages, there were several of you spoke lots of different languages from Korean to Portuguese, etc., or English, you're going to be in the LMC, kind of by those main sets of doors. And so what will happen is there'll be a check-in table for our new families. There's 46 of them right now, just outside the ARC. And Miss McKiernan, Miss Rolick will check those families in, greet them. They'll kind of get them going in the right direction. So if it's a family that's from the Ukraine or from Russia or only speaks Russian, they're going to go into the LMC classroom, and we've got a few of them. We'll have a Russian presenter as well. And then if they primarily want the presentation in Spanish, they're going to go to the ARC. And Ms. Fuentes will be giving that presentation delivered in Spanish. And of course, my Spanish speakers will be in there, students-wise. And then everybody that wants the presentation in English will come to the LMC. And so what I would like to have happen, which puts the onus on you, this is where I really need your leadership. As I noted, this is not an event for shy or someone that's not into like small talk. Like that is going to be a key thing here. And so as a new family walks in the door, especially if they have two students, then one or two of you are going to go with that new family. You're going to walk them through the LMC, and then where all the tables are in the LMC over by the windows, you're going to sit with them. And the presentation that I'll deliver, Dr. G will say hello, but that I'll deliver in English will be over by the windows where the majority of the tables are. And so again, as a new family checks in, you're going to introduce yourself like normal people do, right? Your name, hi, welcome to Vernon Hills, that whole thing, right? And you're going to walk them through. So that's happening in the Russian room, the Spanish room, and the English room. And you guys are going to kind of work through picking up the next family. I'm not going to assign families to you as we've done in the past. I'm not going to have you sitting at tables ahead of time like we've done in the past. You're just going to kind of grab that next family that walks through the door. So you'll do that, you'll get them to their table, and then there's a lot of things in the blue folder they're going to have, from their schedule to a lot of the things that were in the freshman orientation folders relative to the bell schedule and how to get involved. There are free tickets to the first home football game. There's just a lot of things that you're welcome to go through with them, or just small talk, like say, hey, you're new to Vernon Hills, tell me more. Like, are you just sliding over from Underline, or are you from out of state? Are you from, overseas? And just engage in a thoughtful conversation and see what questions they have from you. Sometimes it's a little hard to do so. And there will be a few families that maybe their primary language, especially in the English room, is not English. And so do the best that you can. And just lean into that, especially if you have a non-English speaker and you're not speaking in a language that you speak, just to welcome them through your body language. So we'll get started right around 7. Most of you, whether you pair up with another group, we have 46 families, so I think most of you are going to be busy. If for some reason a few families don't show or we're not, then we'll cut you loose just after that. But again, I think most of you are going to be pretty busy. Again, your hope is to answer questions, make them feel at home and feel welcome. We'll go through our presentation in about 30 minutes. It's not super long. At the conclusion of that, check in with them, see if they have any questions, and then you're going to offer them either a building tour or walk their schedule. So the student's schedule will be in that folder, so they can go through that one more time if they'd like. The last thing that I'd like to do that is new this year is this. On the first day of school, so Monday, August 14th, when you arrive, and I need you to arrive a little early if you're a late riser, I'd like for you to be in the West Gym by 8:15, and you're going to find this student or these students that you're sitting with, this family, and we will get them to the West Gym. And I just want you to just to get engaged with them that morning. Make sure they had breakfast. If not, get them to the cafeteria. Check in with them. Ask some questions. See what questions they have, especially on the first day of school. You can, once you kind of get settled, I'll make a couple of short announcements, and then I'll give you 15 or 20 minutes to move around the building. You can make sure they're comfortable, that they're, it's a loud day that day, the first day of school. Of course, the foyer's bumping. So just get them to their first period class. And hand them off. It would be a beautiful thing if you get them to their first period class and, you walk in and you introduce them to their teacher. And even if you don't know that teacher, you could introduce yourself and say, hi, I'm Andy. You are, okay, Mr. Smith. This is so-and-so, and they're new to Vernon Hills. I was just helping them find their first period class. So you can take over from here. That's what the hope of this is just getting them through that first 30 or 40 minutes of the day. You're welcome to do more. You're welcome to see if you guys have the same lunch, if you want to check in with them after school. That would also be wonderful. But most importantly, let's just be present for them before school. So I think I've covered everything. If I haven't, shoot me an email. If for some reason at the last second you can't make it, I will hold that against you, but we'll figure it out. Just let me know. You obviously have my email, and we'll go from there. Thank you, as always, for being leaders in this school and for just making this place go. We really, really appreciate you. Can't wait to see you on Thursday.